learn about health. And also very sad too, because this is the end of the book. Enjoy God's world. We will not stop enjoying God's world. In this lesson, you can find stories in the library or research on the computer of science. I hope you will keep enjoying this world that God made. So now do you see I draw many planets? Earth, and the planets with rings. And did you see one? And I will draw one very special. I will help you see. And our solar system has two. Oh dear. Let's respond to the Earth. So I will erase Earth. It's hard. Do you know what is this? It's not Saturn. This is Saturn. What is this? I'll draw Earth here. I asked you, what is it? Do you know? It's on this page. Did you see it? Did you see? What has rings? It's big Saturn. Yes, Uranus. Do you see it? Exactly the same. And now I'll draw Earth, our Earth, and here I'll zoom in bigger than this one. So I will help you can see. It's not like an eagle. Okay. This one will not be, it will be Uranus. Draw a circle. And today, do you know why I draw it? Because it is the last lesson of science book. So I have to draw to help you enjoy it. But it's good. Uranus. Here. So today we're going to read about Earth, the planet designed for life. About the Earth's beautiful surface, our responsibility to God's special care. Now let's read. Vocabulary. Established, inhabited, stewardship, recycle, repurpose, repossessed, conserve. Earth, the planet designed for life. The more we learn about other planets, the more we can see God designed our home to be the perfect place for life. He created Earth to orbit the sun and the best place of the solar system. The sun and moon were designed in just the right way to help the Earth work. God also designed and created an atmosphere with air for us to breathe. Earth is not too hot or too cold. Our atmosphere gives Earth the best weather for life. The Earth is the only planet in the solar system known to have water for us to drink. It is the only planet to have a water cycle. It is the only planet where food can grow. What a good provider God is! established it, He created not in vain. He formed it to be inhabited. I am the Lord, and there is none else. Isaiah 45:18. Next, and read about the earth's beautiful surface. Do you see it beautiful? The earth is also the most beautiful planet that God made. Only the planet Earth has beautiful green continents with blue oceans. And in fact, the Earth's surface is mostly covered by water. Where there is land, it does not all look the same. Some places are very wet and full of vegetation, like the rainforest. Other places are dry, like the deserts. Some places are very flat, like the grassland. Some places are very high, like the mountains. And some places are very low, such as valleys. We call all the different kinds of natural features of the earth landforms. Next, about our responsibility. When we study God's creation, we see that it was designed to work together, from a giant sun to a tiny bee. Everything works just as He designed it to work. When God designed and created the earth, He provided everything we could need. He gave us food, water, everything we could need. The right kind of air, energy source, and building materials. We call these things God provides national resources. There are ways to use the resources God gives us wisely. Wastefulness is never wise. Have you noticed that God is never wasteful? Everything that He made has a special plan. We can use what He has made wisely too. Taking wise care of what God has given us is called stewardship. Okay. There are many ways to be a good steward of God's creation. Think before you throw something away. Some things can be repurposed and reused. Maybe instead of throwing away a jelly jar, you can wash it and use it as a special pencil holder. When something cannot be reused, you may be able to recycle it. That means glass, plastic, paper, and metals can be reprocessed and made into something else. Don't you have a recycling bin in your house? Making water clean takes a lot of energy. That means conserving water is a wise way to use less energy. To conserve water, you just use the water you need. Don't let the water run too long without a reason. The electricity used to light your bedroom takes energy, because energy is a resource that God has given us. We should not be wasteful with it. When you are not in the room, turn your light off. And here is the thing that how we can do not waste the things that God made here. Recycle the things that can be repurposed. Waste the things that God made here. Use the perfect water, not too long or too short. Not too long. So this page you will do at your home. And now last page. God's special care. When God created the earth, He knows just what we would need. Knowing that all wise God is our creator, we can place our lives in His hands. For He can you see? There are many stories and fun facts. We're still watching at home. Close your book. Sorry. Now, let's close our book. It's not we throw away. Put it on desk, on the case, the bookcase, and left it out. We can read it. Sometimes can read it about the chapter that you like, or read about something that makes you happy, sad, or fearfully, and more. We're still watching at home. You will do the page. The page when runs it and 97. And I hope you will have a good science, and you will be a scientist or a job or something that you will learn about it. Goodbye.